For exercise 9, please just type the paragraphs that you see in the sample book. Okay. When you're typing the paragraphs, please remember you don't need to press enter at the end of a line. Okay. For example, when you type words, the computer will automatically start a new line for you when you run out of space. Okay, so you can see I didn't have to press enter as I was typing when the line when there's not enough space, the computer will actually start a new line for you. Okay, I don't need the sentence, I was just showing you that. So I'll delete that. Now, once you finish typing, you'll have 3 paragraphs that look the same as the one I've got here on your sample, your demo. Okay. To change the spacing, it's quite easy. Okay. To change the spacing of the first paragraph, I will click and highlight the text like that. The first technique for changing line spacing requires that you go up to Format, find Paragraph, click it with your left mouse button, and a box comes up. You can move this box around so it's not in your way. And go down to where it says line spacing. It should have the word single because the first paragraph I've highlighted is single spaced. But if you click the down arrow, you can see that there are a variety of different options. First paragraph, I want you double space. So find the word double, click it, and click OK. And you'll see that the line spacing is doubled. Okay. Second paragraph, I want you to highlight that. There's a second way of changing line spacing. I'd like you to try it. Highlight first, put your arrow so that it's touching the black. Click the right mouse button, find where it says paragraph, click paragraph with your left mouse button, and again, this paragraph box comes up. It's the same box we used just a moment ago for the first paragraph. But this time around, I want you to click line spacing and choose 1.5 or 1.5 lines. Click that with the left mouse button, click OK, and you'll see that second paragraph is now 1.5 spaced. Okay. The last paragraph, you can actually just leave it at single spaced, but I want to show you a couple of other options as well. Click and highlight the last paragraph. It doesn't matter whether you use the format paragraph or right-click paragraph, but if you click that, I want to show you that the line spacing, if you click, I've shown you single, it's currently single right now. I've shown you 1.5 and double, but if you go down to multiple, you'll see that once you choose multiple, you'll see right next to it that it says 3. We can click the up arrow to increase it by half a space increment, or click down and it'll get smaller by half a space increment. So for example, if you choose 4.5 or 4 line spacing and click OK, you'll see that now the lines are spaced apart by 4.5 spaces. Okay. I'll click undo to cancel that. Okay, so that's another way of doing line spacing. One final thing I wanted to show you is some of you might be having trouble finding out how to do the fraction here, 1.5. So if you want to do fractions, okay, do the following. Type the 1, press a space, type a 1 again, put a slash, type a 2, and press another space. You see that? That 1/2 turned into 1/2. Okay, you can do that with fractions like 1/4 space. Okay, the fractions only work if you put a space after. If you don't have space after, it will not change. You can also do 3/4 space, and it turns into 3/4. Now, if you have a fraction like 5/7 and you put a space, the computer will not change that to a fraction. Okay, so in events like that, let me just show you a little trick. You can highlight the 5, go up to Format, Font, and the font box comes up. You can find where it says Superscript. Click that once, click OK, and you see what happened to the 5? It became a superscript, meaning that it's smaller, and now it's been raised. I'll highlight the 7, I'll go up to Format, Font, and click Subscript, click OK, and this time it's smaller and it's been lowered. Okay, so that's just a little trick I thought I'd show you at the end of exercise 9. So we're finished now. I'm just going to delete all this stuff because it's not really part of this exercise. It's just something extra I thought I'd show you. So I'll delete that. I'm going to File, Save As, and we will save this as 5. 9. I'm going to save it on my F drive. You'll be saving it on your E or your 3.5 floppy A. Click Save, and we're finished.